To how to create content in less than 2 hours for a week. So first, you guys, I get focused on the type of content, so strategy and like what I'm doing. So for example, I'm literally recording this today, and literally I've created today content in less than 2 hours for the week or even more. So first I got clear for today that I wanted to do some fashion shots and nutrition and workouts. So I got clear on with that, the outfits. So this is one of the outfits. And if you're tuning in on the podcast, I'm wearing a dress from my aunt's store at Fabu Fashion in Colorado. And I'm right now in a 2-story lounge that I also do workshops and events at in Buckhead. So using what I utilize all the time. Then nutrition. So I just did a video on unboxing with Herbalife Nutrition that if you haven't followed me before, I've been using Herbalife now over 6 years, integrating it in my life and business for 5, and lost over 55 pounds back in 2014, over a year and a half. And disclaimer, average person that uses Herbalife loses a half a pound to a pound a week with a healthy, active lifestyle. So not typical, but possible. And so I shot that. Now I'm shooting how to create content in less than 2 hours for a week. My next thing that I've already got outlined as well is how to clear the mess in your mind with money. So if you've tuned into the podcast, one of the latest episodes is the money mindset, which gives a sneak peek into the mastermind as well as into the Moneymaker course. So it would make sense that the next article flows from that, and that I share even more of my own personal journey with literally untangling my own mess in my mind and untangling money, and then how I help others do the same, and how I had results in the past with corporate, and then how I got to apply the same kind of methodology in my own life and help others do the same. So, and then 7 ways to make money. And keep in mind, you guys, all these episodes, like the videos I've got, unboxing Herbalife took like 5 minutes. The how to create content, I'm literally on minute 3 right now. So it's literally creating an outline and simplify, simplify, simplify. So not this whole elaborate process and complicating, and literally create the outline, you guys, 3 to 5 items and go. Because as a former OCD perfectionist, I can definitely relate. But if you keep in that cycle, you're actually less productive and you get less results, and you learn way more by doing. And then people actually get value with what you're helping and you're training. So keep that in mind. So how to create content's literally gonna be less than 10 minutes. I already have the article on 7 ways to make money. The how to clear the mess in your mind with money, I'm just gonna speak from the heart. I'm gonna speak on my journey from about 2011 is where I really started to get more and more clear with money. And you guys, it's crazy because I'm also a CPA. So I would be super clear with others, but then with my own money, it was in chaos. So that just shows you the mindset and the things that we have, or we don't realize we have, or we're not aware of. And then 7 ways to make money. So this is an old article I actually submitted for a guest post. And when I was clearing out my items at the end of the year, which I do this consistently, weekly, monthly, and yearly, to clear the clutter, I realized, I was like, wait a minute, this article didn't get published. I have this content, I should publish it. And then the same thing on another article submission. I've also been published with Live Plan, which is a business plan platform. I realized there was a 2-part article that I've gotten feedback from, but I guess just things slipped through the cracks, and I followed up several times, and 2 articles didn't get published. So I'm like, okay, I did my part, I did the due diligence, I followed up, so why not publish these articles on our podcast and our blog, which is basically how to get rockstar results in your life and business with entrepreneur trainings. So highly valuable content, and I realized again, it's just sitting there. So literally 5 different videos, you guys, And then along those lines, the outfit. So you see, if you're tuning in on the video, you see this dress. Then besides that, literally 2 fitness videos to do super cute also things with 2 other components, because these 5 that I'm mentioning, literally I'm just gonna film in the same outfit. So super simple, super easy. I mean, you could do 2 or 3 outfits, 5 outfits obviously if you wanted to, but for me, I'm just keeping it simple. I'm keeping the dress on. So that's 1 outfit. Then I'm doing 2 quick little, like literally just snippets of high energy, you know, shaking, showing some things of tasty treats and healthy hacks. So I talked about the unboxing of Herbalife before. So I'm gonna put on some workout outfit, which I'm also gonna do a workout video today, and I did one earlier this week, and show some tasty treats with Herbalife nutrition. And then I'm gonna do some healthy hacks with rice cakes. So 2 really simple things. And along those lines, I was actually inspired to do these little quick, high vibe, you know, energy shots in the kitchen, you know, shaking, like dancing by Hardcore Ainsley, or at Ainsley, AINSLEY on Instagram, if you don't follow her. So again, simplicity, simplicity, simplicity. So literally you guys, 3 outfits, a dress, a workout outfit, another workout outfit, filming shots in the fashion outfit, just to summarize, filming shots in a little quick high energy with the healthy hacks and the tasty treats, and a workout video. So out of that, you guys, it's literally 5, 6, 7 videos plus several shots. So literally it's a minimum of a week's worth of content. And I'm someone that posts anywhere from 3 to 5 times a day on Instagram alone, plus stories. I share a ton on behind the scenes. And you know, I've noticed as time has progressed, especially with like the algorithm shifting, community creation, I've noticed that when I post regularly and consistently, the audience grows faster and faster and faster, which makes sense because more action equals more results. So comment down below. I hope that served you guys to get more ideas, to get out of your own way, to be super simple, intentional, set the outlines for photos, for video, to get it done. And then you guys, these feed into different things with our 7-day challenge, with our mastermind, our courses, our events, our retreats and academies as well. So the relationship flow is extremely intentional. And when I post on Instagram, it's extremely intentional. And keep in mind, every experience and every event includes our tips, tools, and technology with Herbalife, with Kajabi, and other things integrated. So everything is thought out and it's true to who I am. So that's the other thing I want to encourage you as you grow, is check in with yourself. Check in with, is what you're creating authentic? Does it resonate? Is it something that you've experienced? Is it something that you've overcome? Is it something that you love and it feels simple, or you're making it feel simple and or you're simplifying it into 3 to 5 steps? So comment down below, tag a friend, and chat soon.